Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own clip art using Canva's Magic Studio. If you've ever wanted to design custom graphics, maybe for a presentation, a social media post, or just for fun, stick around. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to not only make unique clip art, but also add animations and even customize images in really creative ways, all within Canva. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's head over to Canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but it's totally free to get started. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right of your screen for that trusty Create button. Give that a click. This is where you tell Canva exactly what kind of space you want for your design. Now, for clip art, we're going to use a custom size to keep things perfectly proportioned and clear. So go ahead and select Custom Size, and let's set it to 100 by 50 pixels. I know that sounds small, but trust me, this is a common size for clip art. It keeps your graphics sharp and easily scalable. If you want your clip art larger for other projects later, you can always bump it up, but 100 by 50 is a great starting canvas, especially if you're just testing things out. With your blank workspace ready, it's time to add an image. On the left panel, you'll see the Elements tabs. This is like a treasure chest for designers. Click on that and take a moment to browse or type in what you're looking for. Maybe you want a cute cat, a simple cloud, or anything else you can think of. Let's say you select a colorful balloon, just click it, and it'll pop right into your canvas. Now you can adjust the size, reposition it, or stack several elements together if you like. It's your design, so don't be afraid to experiment a bit here. Now comes the fun part, animation. With your element selected, look up to the toolbar and find the Animate option. Give it a click and you'll see a bunch of different animation styles, things like pop, slide, or fade. Hover over each one to see a preview and pick the effect that matches the vibe you're going for. For instance, if it's a birthday balloon, maybe a bounce animation brings it to life perfectly. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get just the look you want. Tweaking these little settings is half the fun. But Canva Magic Studio is more than just picking images and adding a bit of animation. There are other smart tools you can use to really personalize your clip art. One of my favorites is called Magic Grab. Imagine you found the perfect character in a group photo. Just use Magic Grab and you can isolate that one image, moving it around or using it by itself. It's like having scissors for your digital space, cutting out just what you need without the mess. There's also Magic Expand, which is super cool when you want to add a bit more to your image. For example, let's say your clip art balloon is a little plain. Magic Expand can help fill in extra details, maybe adding string shading or even turning a half-finished drawing into a more complete picture. This really takes your design from basic to polished, and it's all AI-powered so you can adjust with just a few clicks. And honestly, that's it. You've just created your own custom animated piece of clip art using Canva Magic Studio, and you did it all with just a handful of simple tools. Play around with the features, explore different color schemes, and see what you can create. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Got questions or something you want to see next? Drop a comment below. I love hearing what you guys are working on. And if you want more easy-to-follow design tutorials, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!